I'm going to film my day tomorrow. And hanapin ko ang aking wallet. Kita mo kung wallet ka? Ang pink. Isipin ko, bi. And then, kukuha na lang din ng mantika kasi hindi makontak. Okay. Let's go. Bashira. Sino to ta? Sisi?
Gitakwas ito mo din. Patay ito ng sisiran.
Ay, ta na si movie.
Daw halo ay.
Ay. Kambanan. Tayo nagwagwa mong. Daw dalok-dalok man tara. Yung takwas na raman na eh. Sisi kag si movie. Let's go ko ka. Di man ka magyapon sisira.
Patay lang maraming kaon na.
Hi, Chibaris.
Nubos ko darawa to. Balbagi. Pero kung ligat to dong inom ta, ora man ako eh. Bakit sudo?
Ang sabi ko tayo, mag-video ko ngayong araw, like buong araw na to. But then, nakalimutan ko. 4 na ako natulog. And dito ako natulog kasi ang init. Tapos takot pa ako eh. And it is 12 na ata or 1. Hindi pa ako kumakain. Kakain pa lang. Pero hindi na ako makapag-video today kasi lobat na yung iPad ko 20%. Hinihintay ko na lang siya mag 20%. So maglalaro ako ng Among Us para gawing 20%. So, hi, update. I'm currently watching FA Vlog. And naka-full charge lang ng iPad. So, ngayon na nakapag-video. Miming! Oh my God. Miming! Oh my God, what's in there? Why did you? Miming! Hindi Miming! Hindi! Yeah. Hello! Say hello, Miming. Hello! Say hello! 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 What? Okay. Go. I'm actually washing my clothes right now. Backward. Kasi maganda yung lighting. going to the market right now. And this is the feed. Oh. Lagay ka?
Wala dapat natin. Wala maisip ko. Sa ano pang kusan mo ng Judith.
Hoy!
No?
May okay kaya di?
Hindi.
Ipatan ko ng wallet. Ano kaya?
Mabibis ba?
Ay, bibisit kaya?
Ay, di, matis.
Duro ka na kaya.
Kasi ano ba ito? Matulog sa daan. Itulat lamar ka na.
Saan mo lang na, alas 12, tapos alas 12 yan.
May pagkano itijalak mo.
Oh, so this is me right now. Dahil sa katangahan ni ate mo, hindi baraman kumain kagabi. Tapos, di rin kumain kanina. Tapos yung kinain ko ata kahapon as igma is pancit canton ng walang kanin. Nung ano, isang gabi ulit, I think di rin ako kumain eh. Sa tricycle, I was like, bro, I really thought I was going to faint. It was so embarrassing. Yeah. Bagsak na naman tayo nito sa medical tech. Story time, nung bumili ako dito, te, nafe-feel ko na parang mag-faint na ako ba. It was like I was looking for an air. Ang init ate ko. Parang walang hangin.
Sinasaktan ako.
Wow! Kung may problema ka sa susunod, kunin mo itong gintong bayan. Hanapin mo ako sa bayan.
Salamat, Tio. Ocean, sasamahan ko kayo.
Sige.
Matutong magmaneho gamit ang app na ito. Tuturuan ka naming matuto ng mas mabilis at may kumpiyansa.
I feel nauseous again.
Talaga? Yayaman na talaga tayo.
Itangat mo. Kung sabi mo sa'yo na. Ang dami ng ginto. Hindi mo yan sayang kamasahin. Masama ka. Maghintay kayo hanggang sa pag-uwi ng kuya ko. Tapos na kayo. Ikaw, Bubita.
2:03 in the afternoon. I just woke up. And no shoes pa rin ako din. Tapos a bit dizzy. Feeling ko hindi na ako maka-exercise ngayon. Oof. Coco, balik to Coco. Balay, Coco. 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 Ay, nagdagan. Umulan, girl. Is it just me or I look pretty right now?
Hindi ka pipilitin ng tito. Kung hindi mo kaya, okay lang.
So I already did my skincare because we're going to the other house. And I'm going to bring my newly bought Ukay pajama top. I'm here now. Nagtakon pa talaga ng mukha. Write on my diary. Because I feel like it. I didn't do my exercise today and I won't do any exercise today. Just in case hindi pa pwede. Just in case hindi pa ako okay. Wow, I look so pretty right now. You must be cringing so hard right now. Oh my god, I forgot my comb. Charger na yung dinala ko. Now, what? Are we going to watch Netflix or Spotify? Of course, first we're going to do my diary. I don't know if I should do Netflix or magpapa-music. I don't feel like playing on my iPad right now. So I haven't read for like a months. Okay, kakatapos ko lang nung chapter 1. Actually, dapat chapter 3 na ako. Kaso nga lang, bumalik ako ng chapter 1 like from the top. Kasi nga nakalimutan ko na. Like, it's been a month, I guess. Hindi ko na ano yung story niya. Pero ngayon, mas nagets ko siya. And actually, ang ganda ng storyline. Wow! Chapter 1 ka pa lang, te, ha? Pero I swear, ang ganda. It is funny. Nakakatawa siya, te. I love it. This is a good book. I'm telling you, chapter 1 pa lang mahuhook up ka na. Pero bet ko rin si, Mr. Knightley.
Tropico Supremo, purong kape.
She's pregnant.
Roasted the Italian way.
He tried.
It gotta be written down.
She's
By the
pregnant.
rest of this mess. She got me in the blender. I'm trying to figure out what's going on.
Yeah, I feel it.
Man, I feel it.
Today we're placing
Look at the
Josep's
title.
pregnant girlfriend Sierra
Ayun.
to the test. Will she remain loyal to him, or will she trade him for another rich and successful guy?
So if there was no kid, you wouldn't be here. Oh, not at all. Not at all. I'm just gonna find me another.
She failed.
Already. Damn. Like she ain't pregnant.
But then, may naalala ko sa payong na may sasakyan.
It don't matter that she's showing me.
Diskaya yarn.
Access, that's already enough.
This is crazy because Sierra is pregnant. She's
Kind of nice. I actually used to be a bartender back in the day. Kind of nice with it, yeah. Before I started doing this producer thing. No way. Yeah.
I really cannot with this.
Once again, Isaiah decided to push this phase even further, and this time it seems to
You're
be working out for him.
pregnant? Then,
Make whatever you like.
what the frick? Sayang, di ko nakita yung pares nito sa ukay, te. But it's rare, you know. Sa ulo, te. Ayun, ito na, saglit. I need a signing code. Wala. I just forgot na ikwento na earlier nung nasa merkado. First time ko lang ulit marinig na tinawag akong cookie. Yeah. Familiar sugar. Yun nga lang. Hindi ko na talaga maalala kasi bata pa ako noon. Tuwing pumunta ako sa sa kanila upang bumili ng kalamay or kape, imos nanay. Ngayon hindi na kami pumapunta doon, lalakarin lang kasi yung tea, like mga 10 minutes na lakad. Joke, mga 5 lang, 5 to 10. I guess. Depende kung gaano ka bilis maglakad. Wala lang. Yun lang. While scrolling, nakita ko to sa TikTok hindi na sana ako nanonood ng Netflix kaso lumabas siya. So, title is Lost in the Stars and update kita mamaya kung maganda ba or pwede na. May plan pa sana maglaro ng Among Aztec kaso nga lang na-hook up na ako una pa lang. Bruh, inis na ako. Hindi ko alam kung saan ako maiinis, kung kanino, or it's stressing. I don't know if this is all tactics or what. I'm crying. This is interesting, girl. I swear. Ate ko, ang astig. I love it. Medyo nagsisak na hindi ako nag-glow, ate ko. Ang ganda niya, te. I love it. Grabe, ate ko. Nainis ko sa lalaki, te.
那怎么办呀？那么现在还能做什么呀？是啊，我签证还有2天就要到期了，
Tanga.
我不能这么回去。
合肥，你还有多少事情瞒着我？
Tanga talaga.
你什么意思啊？
可以试试。好过吗？
Oh my god.
这回知道你没有什么
I knew it.
女人以为自己嫁给爱情，结果发现自己的丈夫是个赌徒，那就只能选择报复。
I see. Kaya pala.
不自在。
What a plot twist.
他不会这么对我的。
他连岁数。
Narinig ko na yung backstory, te. Let's see kung ano talaga yung plot twist. Oh my freaking game. Dito na ako sa scene na to and I feel like he killed her. Oh my god, this is the plot twist. Am I right? My god, I feel like I am going to cry. Feeling ko yun yung plot twist. Yun kasi yung sabi nung another diver na nag-ano rin daw yung babae. You know what I mean? Like, gets mo ba? Kasapot ba yung pulis dito, te? Oh my god, bye-bye. Tanga-tanga talaga itong lalaki na ito. Pag talaga nalaman kung pinatay niya si Lindsay.
谁说我们要你的钱了？我要你的权。
That's right. Karma niya yan. Karma niya. Ang galing. Tama nga. Siya na yung traidor, eh. Umpisa pa lang naman halata na talagang siya yung traidor. Inis na inis na ako sa lalaki ko.
你现在跟我说这话是什么意思？
这次不一样，
Okay,
我想过他会很强大，但我没有想过他在哪儿。
mukhang alam ko na, te. Alam ko na yung
你知道他在哪儿？
plot twist
我们
nito.
两个一直在找
我保证
他。
他失踪那天晚上你没有见过，
我当然没有
你。还在演。
I think they're
要不是因为那
all
天你在前面态
in
度反常，
this.
我也不会想到
Wrong person。
为什么在李木子失踪之前要去前店租2套潜水设备。 其中还有一套是你的尺码。
Oh,
那天你告诉酒吧老板，要在烟火表演的时候给你的妻子一个惊喜。你确定吗？你知道他让我想起谁？来吧。
What the fuck would I do that? I'm going to search that right now. Hindi ko alam ba't ako nag-expect na romance yun eh. Akala ko kabit-kabit, ganun. Like, romance lang ba? Alam mo yun, yung mga sa Chinese, iimin na ano. Tapos di ko inasahan. Tapos akala ko thriller, action, horror pala. This is a must watch. I'm telling you. Nakapag-scroll na ako, nakapag-IG and all, and now I am going to sleep. It's already 11, going to 12, and I'm just going to play some music to sleep. Bye bye. What's up? It's 10:40 plus in the morning and I just woke up and then nagtig ang sa rice cooker and sumakit yung lalamunan ko te. I think simula nung kinain ko yung mapait na ampalaya, ayaw niya mawala. And I don't know what to do right now. Wala yung skincare ko dito and it sucks. I can do my skincare. Wala rin yung yung husay and patgal di andito yung toothbrush.
Kasi may toothbrush ako doon, may toothbrush ako dito. Bruh, the bad news is walang toothpaste. Ano, hindi ko nadala yung wallet ko. So, this sucks. I can't. Masawag ako later. I can't do anything about it.
Yeah.
With her mouth or with her
mouth.
hand?
With her mouth, yeah.
Very amazing.
He texted me, he's like, you will not believe what just happened. And then he was behind that, but that's what he told me.
Bro, what is this guy?
Years ago when he was making a lot of cash, I'll just say that he was in street sales.
What a plot twist this is.
So was she talking to her ex first, what you found out, and then that kind of led to, I don't know, bro,
I don't know, the confrontation is a bit awkward or what.
Wait, she said you got
It's weird.